How to convert Figma to WordPress. So let's get started. If you don't already have a Figma account, you will need to create one to design your layout. From the Figma website, click on Get Started for free. Then create a Figma design. Whatever your reasons for using Figma, you will likely to need to design a new page. From the Figma dashboard, click on Create New Design File to launch the page builder. Use the toolbar along the bottom of the editor to select the frame. You should see a list of design frames appear to the right. You will need to click on Desktop as the plugin that we will use to convert Figma to WordPress only supports this option. At this point, you can start designing your Figma page using the toolbar icon. This enables you to add text, images, videos, and many more. So, if you don't already have a WordPress website, now it is the time to create one. After that, to successfully convert Figma design, you are going to need to embed your Figma frame in the WordPress block editor. Once you are happy with your Figma design, go to the Figma main menu and click on Plugins, then tap on the Manage Plugins. Here you will get to see Figma to WordPress. Select the Figma to WordPress block option, which should appear at the top of the list. And that is it. After that, you should see a preview of the conversion, and now click on copy to save the HTML code to your clipboard. At this point, you are ready to switch over to WordPress to finish up the conversion. Now, all you have to do is from the WordPress dashboard, go to plugins, add new plugins. Here, use the search feature to find the animation and design converter for Gutenberg block plugin. Then click on install now and activate. All you have to do is note that you technically embed the HTML code without installing this plugin. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.